these are RV levelers, RV supports, has the bolt and the nut included, 2 for each. Simply take these out, slide your bars straight through your hole. That is going to help you with your turning, so you can extend this or lower this depending on which way you rotate it. You'll also be able to go ahead, if you need to really get your height up, you'll see this it does slide out. You have multiple holes to choose from, so you can extend your height. Just go to the height that you need to set at, or lower it. This will help with the support on the RV, help with leveling. If you're concerned with weight distribution, great for slide outs on the RV as well.